you all doing? I hope all of you are doing fine. So today's topic is uses of plants. Learning objectives. Plants give us food, other things that we get from plants. Plants have many uses. We get most of our food from plants. ज़्यादातर खाना हमें plant से ही मिलता है. So name the food items shown below. So we have certain vegetables and fruits. If you look at the vegetables, we have potato, peas, pumpkin, tomatoes, brinjal, etc. And on the side of fruits, we have mango, pomegranate, apple, and different kinds of stuff. You just have to find them and write their names. Plants give us food. Most of the food that we eat come from plants. Plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight, water and air. This food is stored in different parts of plants such as roots, stems, leaves, flowers and fruits. तो अलग-अलग plants के parts में ही खाना अलग-अलग form में stored रहता है. Like vegetables. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables. Root. We can eat roots of plants like carrot, radish, beetroot and sweet potato as vegetables. These are the example of root, which is a part of plant which we consume as vegetables. Then stem. We eat stems of plants like potato, onion, ginger, arvi as vegetables, and these are stems. Then we have leaves. We eat leaves of plants like spinach, cabbage and lettuce as vegetables. So spinach and cabbage are examples of leaves, which is again the part of plant that we consume. Then we have fruits. We eat fruits of plants like tomato, brinjal, lady's finger, gourd and pumpkin as vegetables, and these are examples of fruits that we consume as food. Flowers. We eat flowers of plants like cauliflower and broccoli as vegetables, and fruits. We eat ripe fruits of plants like apple, mango, banana, pineapple, watermelon, oranges and grapes, and they are sweet and juicy. Then flowers होते हैं जैसे spinach हो गया, broccoli हो गया, and then fruits. We also consume them as food items. Mostly the fruits are eaten raw. Sometimes fruits are cooked to make jams, sauce, squash, etc. तो ज़्यादातर fruits हम ऐसे ही खा लेते हैं, but अगर sauce, jams वगैरह बनाने होते हैं, so first we have to cook them and then process them into different food items. Cereals. Food grains such as wheat, rice, maize, millet, barley and oat are some examples of cereals. ये सारे cereals हैं. Again, we consume them as food items. Now, there's a fact file. Tomato and brinjal are not vegetables. Actually, they are fruits. The tomato और brinjal जो vegetables की category में हम डालते हैं, they are not vegetables, but they are fruits. Now the seeds of wheat, corn and millet are ground to make flour. We make chapatis of flour. अब ये wheat वगैरह के seeds को हम grind करते हैं, उससे फिर आटा बनाते हैं, उनको हम chapatis की तरफ फिर consume करते हैं. Then we have pulses. Pulses are commonly called dal, arhar, red lentil, masoor, green gram moong, kidney beans, rajma and Bengal gram chana are some pulses. ये सारी दालें हैं जिनको हम खाते हैं. Oil. Seeds of some plants are crushed to get oil. Oil is mainly used for cooking. फिर कुछ ऐसे seeds होते हैं जिनको crush करके बनाया जाता है तेल, जैसे mustard हो गया, olive हो गया, and उनको फिर use करा जाता है. Now hots, higher order thinking skills. Do you know any other plant from which we can get oil? Which part of the plant is used to get that oil? So you just have to figure it out and answer on your own. Now we have herbs and spices. To make our food tasty, we use spices and herbs. Some of these are coriander, dhania, mint, pudina, clove, long, cumin, jeera and cardamom, elaichi. We get these also from plants. अब herbs and spices होते हैं कुछ, जैसे कि आपके spices क्या होते हैं जो आप अपने खाने में फ्लेवर को enhance करने के लिए डालते हैं, जैसे इलायची हो गया, लौंग हो गया, धनिया हो गया, ये सारे भी आपके herbs and spices में आते हैं, and again we get it from plants. Now there's a fact file. Different spices have different flavors. They make the food tasty. Now sugar and jaggery. We get sugar and jaggery, good from sugarcane plant. These are used to make things sweet. फिर sweetness की तरह use किया जाता है jaggery यानी कि गुड़ और sugar को. Chocolates. So children love to eat chocolates. They are made from cocoa beans. Cocoa beans are seeds of the cocoa plant. अब chocolates भी आपकी cocoa bean से बनती है जो cocoa plant से हमें मिलता है. Now beverages. Tea and coffee are also obtained from plants. Like cocoa plant we get it from like cocoa beans, then coffee plant and coffee beans, and tea bush and tea leaves. Other things that we get from plants. Medicines. Some plants such as neem, tulsi, turmeric, clove and garlic are used to make medicines. अब बहुत सारे ऐसे herbs होते हैं या plants होते हैं जिनसे दवाइयाँ बनाई जाती हैं. जैसे तुलसी हो गया, नीम हो गया, इनसे medicines बनाए जाते हैं which are used to treat illnesses. Now fact file, tulsi and ginger juice mixed with honey and a little black pepper powder हेल्प्स क्योर कोल्ड एंड कफ. अब तुलसी और जिंजर को मिक्स करके उसका जूस बनाया जाए, हल्का सा हनी उसमें डाले जाए और काली मिर्च, तो ये पूरा जो आपका एक सिरप बनेगा, इससे आपका सर्दी जुकाम खत्म हो सकता है. Fiber. Cotton and jute fibers are used to make a thread. Thread is made into cloth. The fibers from cotton plant are used to make cotton cloth. The fibers from the jute plant are used to make things such as sacks, rope, bags, mats and mattresses. अब फाइबर से आपका क्या बनता है? फाइबर का मतलब क्या हुआ? जिनसे आपके कपड़े बनाए जाते हैं. कॉटन हो गया, वुल हो गया, या एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. जूट फाइबर्स, ये सारे आपको मिलते हैं अगेन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. Now let's experiment. Collect information about some other plants which give us fibers. Paste pictures of these plants and products obtained from their fibers in your science activity book. अब आपको अलग अलग जगहों से ये इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करनी है कि कौन से फाइबर से या कौन से प्लांट से हमें कौन सा फाइबर मिलता है और उनसे फिर क्या चीजें बनाई जाती हैं. And then you have to paste it in your science activity book. Wood. The trees around us provide us the all-important wood. Wood is used to make our houses. It is also used to make pencils, furniture, boards, cards, cricket bats, hockey sticks and many other things. फिर लकड़ी भी हमको प्लांट से ही मिलती है. उनसे फर्दर फिर अलग अलग आइटम्स बनाए जाते हैं. Paper. We get paper from plants. We use paper for books and writing also. Then rubber, we get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. So paper also we get it from plants, and then rubber भी हमको rubber plant से ही मिलता है. Rubber is used to make various things such as gumboots, rubber gloves, etc. Also, the tires of cycles, motor cars, bikes, buses and trucks are made from rubber. अब rubber भी आपको rubber plant से मिलता है. Further उससे फिर बहुत सारी अलग अलग चीजें बनाई जाती हैं. Shelter. One of the most important uses of plants is that they give shelter to animals, birds and insects. फिर बहुत सारे animals और insects भी होते हैं जिनको shelter plants से मिलता है. Perfumes. Flowers such as jasmine and rose have a pleasant smell. They are used to make perfumes. फिर बहुत सारे ऐसे flowers होते हैं जैसे jasmine, rose, इनकी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी होती है, तो इनसे perfumes बनाए जाते हैं. Other uses of plants. Plants are also used to make things such as soap, toothpaste and shampoo. अब toothpaste, shampoo जैसी चीजें भी आपकी बहुत सारे अलग अलग plants से बनाई जाती हैं. Then flowers of some plants are used for decoration in place of worship also. अब डेकोरेशन के लिए भी अलग अलग फेस्टिवल्स पे हम प्लांट्स का यूज़ करते हैं, फ्लावर्स का यूज़ करते हैं, और बहुत सारे मंदिरों में और अलग अलग वर्शिप वाली जगहों पर भी फ्लावर्स का यूज़ डेकोरेशन पर्पसेस के लिए किया जाता है. Now multiple choice questions. You have to answer these questions on your own. Now let's do exercises. Oral questions. Name 3 plants which give us oil. So we have mustard, we have olive and different kinds of, and we have sunflower oil also. Name 3 pulses, arar, rajma, chana. And name 3 herbs and spices, clove, elaichi and cardamom. Now take the correct option. The seeds of this plant are ground to make flour. Option A, wheat. Which plant gives us jaggery? And this is sugarcane. Option A. This plant is used to get oil for cooking. Option B, groundnut. This vegetable is eaten both in raw and cooked form. Option A, carrot. Name 3 things made from the following. Wood, furniture बनता है, door बनता है, and then आपके wood से अलग अलग टाइप के डेकोरेटिव पीसेस भी बनते हैं. Then rubber से टायर बनता है, इरेजर बनते हैं, रबर बैंड्स बनते हैं, कॉटन से यहाँ पे कपड़े बनते हैं, क्लॉथ बनाया जाता है, उसकी फाइबर से डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मटेरियल्स आर ऑल्सो वूवन. Circle the plant from which we get the following items. So food grain, we get it from, it is a rice. Then fruit, guava. Spice, cumin. Beverage, cocoa. Now name the following. Number first is a clove, second is soap, third is flour, and last one is a garlic. Fruity riddle, fill in the blanks. I grow in summer, I am the king of fruits. I am a mango. I am a fruit and named after a color. I am an orange. I am a yellow fruit, monkeys love to eat me. I am a banana. I am a straw and berry. I am a strawberry. Now write T for true and F for false statements. Plants are used to make soap and shampoo. True. Jute plant is used to make furniture. False. Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, water and air. True. Potato is actually a stem. True. Match the following by drawing lines. Number 1 is a bag, so option 3 jute bag. Second is a boat, option 4. Third is a jam, option 1st. And last one is a ginger, so option 2nd. Answer the following questions. In these questions, please answer yourselves. Now there's a project, you just have to follow these instructions and do this on your own. Now you have a group discussion followed by an activity. You just have to follow these instructions. This is something you have to do among yourself in your classroom. Please do this. You can take the help of your teachers as well. Now students, with that we are done with this chapter. Please go through the entire chapter once again thoroughly, and rest of the exercise questions, please do it yourselves.